Hi, welcome to all in this new series of our revision chapter 1. This video is really helpful for everyone, those who want to do practice on and revise all the concept related to rational numbers, related to integers. यदि आप चैप्टर 1 को और भी बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से रिवाइज करना चाहते हैं और उसमें जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए ही है। आप इस क्वेश्चंस को सारे क्वेश्चंस को केयरफुली रीड करें और जो ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइड हैं उनको आप बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद ही अपना रिस्पॉन्स सेंड करें। सो वन थिंग रिगार्डिंग टू दिस सीरीज सेकेंड is related to objective questions. All the questions are objective, so read carefully all the questions and try to solve yourself. Don't see your book, don't try to ask your friend, don't search on mobile, because in exams no one try to help you, and you can help yourself by doing hard work and practice. So further, after complete of this session, we will discuss on our next class. If some questions are tough related to difficult, you can mark on that question. You can and ask in our next class. So jump to the question number 1. On a vertical line, positive number is placed right side of 0, left side of 0, above 0, below 0. Questions is very easy. Okay. Next one, multiplication of negative integers for odd number of times give a result. Multiplication of negative integers for odd numbers of many times give a result. Negative, positive, 0, none. The questions is very easy. Recall your concept, the multiplication of odd number and multiplication of even numbers. Next, question number 3. If the dividend and divisor have like sign, then the quotient will be positive, negative, 0 or none. If the dividend and the divisor have like sign, then the quotient will be. Further, question number 4. Closure property in respect of integers is satisfied with respect to. Closure property in respect of integers is satisfied with respect to. Okay, what is the meaning of closure property? Everyone know their definitions. But definitions of closure property are satisfied with addition, multiplication, addition, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction and multiplication, and addition, subtraction and division. So recall your concept without seeing your book, without seeing a solution. Proceed to fifth one. Commutative property in respect of integers is satisfied with respect to. Okay, question number 4 is related to closure property. But fifth one is related to commutative property. But firstly you can recall your concept. Commutative property in respect to integers is satisfied with respect to. Which options are satisfied for this question? Okay, addition, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, subtraction, multiplication or division. Proceed to 6.1. The identity element with respect to multiplication in integers. The identity element. Okay, what do we mean by identity element? Okay, recall firstly. Then with respect to multiplication in integers is 1, -1, 0 or none of these. You can take more time to understand for this question. Then after some time you can give your replies or your responses. but don't see or don't ask your parents or don't search on mobile. Okay, proceed to seventh one. One integer is greater than the other integers by plus 6. One integer is greater than the other by plus 6 if one number is minus 20, then the other is. Suppose we have two numbers, one is greater than the other by plus 6, one number is minus 20, then the other number is minus 1, 0 plus 14 or minus 14. Move to question number 8. Every negative integer is greater than 0, less than 0, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. Every negative integers. Okay. Understand what is negative integers? That are belongs to left side, right side, greater than or equal to. Okay. Next question number 9. Fill in the blank to make the following statement true. Okay. You can solve these questions by the help of options. Fill in the blank to make the following statement true. Okay. Given statement is true, but how? How can we say that the given statement is true? How can it will be converted into true? By putting the fill in the blanks. Okay. First fill in the blanks and second fill in the blanks. You can put the value from the options. Either you can revise or recall your all the properties of integers. Okay. Next, the multiplication of minus 3, minus 6, minus 2, minus 1. Our this video will be ending with question number 10. What are the multiplication of given integers? On this given questions, their motto is that only recall the multiplication rules. Okay, recall the multiplication law of integers. Plus and plus, minus and minus, plus and minus, minus and plus. Then you will be confirm that their responses will be what. So after your completion of this test, you can note down the important concept again and mark out the star on difficult question and ask me immediately in the next class. Thanks for watching this video. And in our next video, we will start our chapter next that is related to your class. Okay, again, thanks for watching this video. And you are new students or new visitors in my channel. So please subscribe my channel and share your friend this video. So by the help of this video, your friend also be getting a good marks.